Most people get confused when they finally reach a withdrawal screen on Lucktastic. Not because it is complicated, but because the app does not work like a normal cash wallet. Here's the truth no one tells you. Lucktastic is not a direct cash app. It is a rewards and sweepstakes system, so withdrawals depend on specific redemption methods, not instant bank transfers. In this video, you'll learn exactly how withdrawals work in Lucktastic in 2026, what options you actually have, and the step-by-step process to redeem rewards without mistakes. By the end, you'll know what is real, what is limited, and how to avoid getting stuck waiting for payouts that never arrive. Let's start with how earnings work. In Lucktastic, you don't withdraw cash like PayPal or UPI apps. Instead, you earn points, sweepstakes entries, or gift card rewards depending on promotions. That is the foundation you must understand first. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most users like Jake think they can cash out anytime. But the system only allows redemption when you reach specific thresholds or win eligible rewards. That means your withdrawal is actually a conversion process. Step 1 is checking your reward balance inside the app. Go to the Rewards or Wallet section. This is where your points or eligible earnings are displayed. If you don't see a redeem button, it usually means you have not reached the minimum requirement yet. Step 2 is choosing a redemption option. In most cases, Lucktastic offers gift cards or sweepstakes entries rather than direct cash. So you might see options like digital gift cards depending on availability in your region. But here's the problem most users face. They expect PayPal or bank transfers. When they don't see it, they think withdrawal is broken. In reality, the app simply does not support traditional cash-out systems in most cases. Step 3 is confirming redemption. Once you select your reward, you submit the request and wait for processing. Processing time can vary depending on reward type. Some gift cards may arrive quickly, while sweepstakes rewards depend on draw results. Now let's talk about mistakes. The biggest mistake is assuming every point equals guaranteed money. That is not how Lucktastic is designed. Points are only part of a larger reward system that includes chance-based outcomes. Another mistake is expecting instant results. Even after redemption, processing is not immediate. So patience is part of the system. So here is the full takeaway. Lucktastic withdrawals are not traditional withdrawals. They are reward redemptions through gift cards and sweepstakes systems. The process is simple, but the expectations must be realistic. If you understand that difference, you will never feel confused again. If this helped you, like the video, comment your experience with Lucktastic withdrawals, and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of earning apps in 2026.